What is up, everybody? Liberator here, and today I'm going to be reviewing some Japanese to prepare myself for my upcoming semester of school. These are going to be real basic terms, and I'm going to make multiple episodes of this if people like it. I'm no expert, I'm not a teacher, but hey, if you follow along, you might learn something. Keep in mind that there will be a word hidden somewhere in this video, and if you're subscribed to my channel and are the first to comment it in the comment section of this video, then you'll win $10. So let's go. So just a little disclaimer before we start. I am not the greatest at drawing the characters. I am not fluent in the written language of the hiragana characters. So as you can see, we have the English version of this word, good morning. And if you move down, we have romaji right here, which romaji is sort of like the converting from the hiragana characters that the Japanese use to the English alphabet so that we can understand it. Now, there is a difference here for anybody who doesn't know. Their vowels, A, E, I, O, and U, are pronounced differently. So A is A, I is E, E is A, O is O, and U is U. We're going to be learning the formal and the informal versions of good morning. If you look over here, we have letters that are broken down into their original characters. So the way that the conversion actually works from hiragana to romaji is you could pull up any chart and you'll see they'll actually have the 5 vowels that they use and add a consonant to the front of it. So it would be ha instead of ah, which would be your basic vowel. You would have ha or yo instead of o. So they just add a consonant, and you could pull up a hiragana chart and see exactly what I mean as they go along with their different letters. I'm going to say the whole word first, and then we're going to convert this into the characters that you would need to practice to actually write and pronounce this. So anybody who can pronounce this, you're already off to a great start. This is Ohayo gozaimasu. There are actually a lot of sounds in here that are pronounced quickly enough to where you don't really hear them. So the formal way of saying it to somebody that you don't know, or like your boss or something, in a very formal way of saying it is Ohayo gozaimasu. Very proper way of saying it. For anything informal, like if you're walking to school with a classmate or something, Ohayo would be what you say. It's just the informal version of it. So for the actual hiragana, I wrote them in columns so you could see exactly what letters go with what characters. So O would be this character here. Ha would be this character here. Yo would be this. U would be this. O, ha, yo, u. But when you pronounce it real fast all together, it's Ohayo. Now, let's move over to adding, like I said before, you can pronounce this as an informal version of it, as if you're talking to your friends, Ohayo. But if you want to say it formally to somebody that you don't know, or just being proper, you will see that it's Go, which is this character, Za, which is this character, I, which is this character, Ma, this character, Su, this character. Gozaimasu. Gozaimasu. So if you want to practice hiragana, you pull up a hiragana chart and you copy these symbols from the hiragana chart. Don't copy my handwriting. My handwriting is terrible. But we're going to go ahead and go along with the whole formal written version of it. And we're actually going to go along with the characters. So, O, ha, yo, u. Ohayo. Gozaimasu. Gozaimasu. Ohayo. Gozaimasu. And that's pretty much it. That's your first word. So if you want to practice the pronunciations as well as writing the characters along with the romaji, you can do that. But these are the characters for good morning. Formal and informal. So that's it. Hopefully you guys learned something. If you did watch all the way till the end, thank you very much. This has been Liberator, and I'm out.